Hello everyone, again welcome to Nova Armory. I'm Six.
And I'm Trent, and today we'll be reviewing essential accessories for firearms. So first up we have eye protection. It is Howard Light Vapor 2 Sharpshooter, great for shooting, hunting, any of your firearm needs.
Yeah, so they have the soft nose, the lens is a polycarbonate, so it's going to help for ballistic purposes. It's clear lens, so it's very visible indoor and outdoor applications.
So you can also get the lenses in different colors such as amber, orange, as well as an indoor-outdoor lens. So that is our eye protection. Next up we have ear protection. Both of these are needed when shooting at an indoor range. They are required.
Yeah, so again, these are essentials, especially for first-time buyers. Peltor is a well-known brand. They are padded, so you also see these in the military as well. So it's a well-known piece of equipment and something you need for noise reduction.
They have the comfortable ear cushions like we already said, and they're adjustable as well to fit any size head. All right, and lastly in our essential accessories for firearms, we have the Allen Deluxe Universal Cleaning Kit. It cleans almost every pistol, shotgun, or rifle.
All right, it's a 37-piece kit. It comes with your cleaning cloths and extension. It does not come with any kind of lubricants, rim oil, or CLP. It has 2 snap fasteners for the case. It's a hard, durable case. Again, all 3 of these for a first-time buyer. These are the essentials you'd be looking for a range day to clean the weapon and store the weapon after range use.
So whether this is your first firearm or you're into the 20 firearms, all 3 of these items are essential for protection as well as maintaining your firearm, keeping it ready to go.
Thanks for joining us again. I'm Six.
And I'm Trent, and this is Nova Armory. Feel free to check us out online or come in the shop and check out all this stuff.